I don't think that's a drone.
We should walk this way.
There's no way that's a drone.
There's more coming up. Dean, you see the other ones coming up? Yeah, what is that?
They're not. Drones can't move in sync like that.
You think it's aliens?
No.
I think it's aliens. Definitely.
Oh, it's coming.
These UFOs were drones. I was like, there ain't nothing but a drone show. I mean, you can obviously tell that.
I don't think that's a drone.
And so this guy didn't think it was a drone either. And then you're going to see something, you know, in a minute. So this guy's going to pan down to the ground and pan up, and something's going to happen. So these things are taking strange formation. And he says drones don't move like this. Okay, I want you to keep watching because it looks like drones, you know, to me. And so he pans down, and he's going to pan back up. Now, it's a helicopter coming in right there, and it's going to fly over there. And look at the size of the helicopter in comparison to these balls of light here. Okay? You see that?
There's more coming up.
And so it's more coming up from the ground. But look at the movement of this. And I've seen this before, man. They make this kind of DNA thing.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, see that?
They're not. Drones can't move in sync like that.
You think aliens?
No.
So what are these?
I think it's aliens.
You know? And why do I keep seeing them make this DNA? What is this, the government? Like, what are they doing, you know?